What is up, everyone? MD14 back here with you. So I wanted to see about the Nintendo Switch 2 camera. I did not pick up the official Nintendo camera, but I do have many Logitech cameras, and I wanted to see if the Logitech Brio will actually work on a Nintendo Switch 2. So there's only one way to find out. I'm going to disappear just like so, and I'm going to disconnect it from my computer, and I am currently connected it to the Switch 2. Now the Logitech, now using web USB mic. Interesting. All right, so I'm going to hit test USB camera, and there it is, just like that. This is using the MX Brio. This might be an overkill for webcams, but it does look like third-party webcams. Easy peasy. Works very well. This one is a 4K camera, but I don't know if that will push out 4K. It won't push out 4K quality, but as you can see, here it is right here. Now I'm kind of curious as well. Will it do the microphone? Update Nintendo Switch camera, Nintendo Switch 2 camera. I guess you need that camera specifically. Can I test out? Oh, maybe it's under audio. All right, so there it is right there. It will actually, current output and input, it will actually recognize USB MX Brio. So it seems like whatever webcam you have, it will just work just as is. It'll actually tell you as well the webcam. So I might be able to do a test microphone. Let's see. Begin recording. Hello. All right, so there you have it. Hopefully you were able to hear that. But there's testing of the audio with the microphone, with the input microphone as well. You can also change the volume if you wanted to. It seems like it's automatic. Let me see. Let me just actually hold on, just to make sure that we're actually using the right one. Let's do it again. Begin recording. Hey everyone, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, it helps me out a lot. Hey everyone, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, it helps me out a lot. And there you have it. So once again, microphone works very well with the webcam, Logitech webcam. Oops, there we go. We'll leave that as is. I'm gonna have this back to automatic. I am gonna unplug it, but that's really neat. So if you do have like a spare webcam, if you want to use, you could definitely do that. As you can definitely use like a spare webcam if you wanted to use game chat for the hell of it. But once again, this works very well. The good thing about this as well, you could just close that up with the webcam. So if you have any third-party webcam, like a Logitech Brio MX, sorry, this will work very well. Even like a C920, anything with a USB-C. And make sure it has a USB-C input. It will work very well. But yeah, this is the quality of it. Let me know what you think. And as always, everyone, have yourself a damn good one.